Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting the physical and digital tools ready. A flatbed or textile-capable scanner set to 300/600 DPI and the DSD-aware conversion app. Once done, mount the rabbit embroidery in a hoop so stitches lie flat and won't shift. Make sure backing stabilizes the fabric. Connect the scanner and open the conversion software, then run a test preview scan to confirm framing and contrast. This first scan tells you exposure needs and whether to adjust fabric tension before you capture the full image for digitizing. Now you perform the actual scanning and conversion. Choose color or grayscale depending on thread contrast, and tweak brightness and contrast until stitch lines are visible. Scan at full chosen DPI, and if threads reflect light, take a second pass with diffuse lighting to reduce glare. Import the high-resolution image into your digitizing software and trace vector paths over the design. Set stitch density, underlay parameters, and stitch type, satin for outlines, fill for areas, so the software maps pixels to DSD stitches accurately. Finish by running a stitch simulation in the software and export to DSD. Then test that file on a scrap fabric to confirm alignment and stitch behavior. Make adjustments to trims, tie-offs, travel paths, and color stops, then re-export as needed. If the embroidered rabbit comes out misaligned or dense, rescan at a higher DPI, clean the image to remove noise, and verify the hoop placement was consistent. One key troubleshooting tip: if stitches pull or pucker, reduce stitch density and add a firmer backing before retrying the DSD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.